Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the backup you'll use and why it's the right one. Verify the backup date, type, and checksum so you don't restore stale or corrupt data. Next, make sure you have admin credentials, enough disk space, and network throughput to avoid mid-restore failures. Once done, mount the backup media or attach the image and run a quick integrity check. This prevents wasted time copying bad data and establishes a reliable baseline for the next steps. You now perform the core restoration in a controlled order so services come back smoothly. Start by restoring metadata and permissions to avoid post-restore access problems. Then copy critical application and system files first so dependencies run sooner. Make transfers with checksum verification to detect corruption in flight and use incremental restores when time or bandwidth is limited. When conflicts appear, follow your timestamp or overwrite policy. You finish by validating the restored environment so users can rely on it. Run functional tests and checksum comparisons to confirm data consistency, then restart services and rebuild any indexes or caches that depend on fresh files. Make sure selected users perform quick acceptance tests to catch issues you missed. Once successful, update your backup records, adjust retention or schedule if needed, and keep detailed logs. If something goes wrong, check transfer logs and permission errors first. They reveal most silent failures and guide targeted replays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.